Yo, what's up you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute, but I'm hella excited to announce and drop my first video to my newest series called UCI Virtual Tours, where I'll be releasing full walkthrough videos of the different locations at the UC Irvine campus. Keep in mind that not every video will be this long, so I apologize in advance if this one feels a little too long, but go ahead and feel free to fast forward through it. But I hope you guys enjoy this new little series that I'm starting, and if you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit that subscribe button for more content this summer. And also comment down below which location at the UC Irvine campus you'd like to see next. I know that with this whole pandemic going on, not everyone is gonna get to go on tours this summer. Share it to your friends, share it to your family, to give the incoming freshman class of 2020 a chance to see what the campus will look like once they actually get here. Without further ado, I'll present to you guys the very first UCI virtual tour of the freshman dorms, Mesa Court, where I lived at my freshman year 4 years ago. Enjoy. So we're gonna be starting here at the UCI freshman dorms. The very first place that we're visiting now is called Mesa Court, or Mesa Court, however you feel comfortable saying it, whatever accent you want to say it in. But yeah, on your first day in, if you decided to move into Mesa Court, to live in Mesa Court, you're probably going to be coming into this parking lot, parked somewhere near the end. And yeah, you'll be taken to check-in so that you can get your housing number, your keys, etc, etc. So we're gonna start over there. All right, so when you first move in, you'll probably be dropped off right here at this roundabout. And then you're gonna have to go in and check in at the this little center over here. But yeah, for the most part, all of these buildings, these dorms are right here. You start seeing them now to your right and to your left. They're all either 2-floor or 3-floor housing units, each with either double or triple rooms or even quads. And for the most part, all the buildings are named in Spanish. Like that one is called Barranca, this one over here is called Niebla, and a lot of other names, etc. And then we do have like an Amazon locker right here if you ever want to order stuff to the dorms. So this is like the main Mesa Court Community Center area. Here's like a view of it. It's kind of windy today, hopefully you guys could hear me. But basically, on your move-in day, you'll come to this building right here. You're gonna come in here, they're gonna make you line up. There's gonna be tables set up everywhere here, different booths, different tables everywhere. I think it'll be sorted alphabetically. You'll go to your last name, they'll ask you for your information, student ID number, etc. And then they'll give you your keys to where you eventually go to your dorm and meet your first roommates. So yeah, get excited, man. It's gonna be an awesome experience. As you can probably already tell, this campus is like very green, very environmentally friendly. You'll see along everywhere that they have no smoking signs. right, and this is another parking lot right here. I forgot, I think this is lot, hold on, yeah, this is lot 14. Basically, the campus has many different lots, and whenever you buy your student parking permit, you'll have to decide which lot you want to purchase. So yeah, if you're a freshman living in Mesa Court, I suggest buying lot 14 pass. And then here we just have another office. This is a student housing office where let's say you want to change roommate, or you just want to move to another dorm, you'd come here and talk to them and see if they can work a new plan out for you. So let's head on up to the dorms. It's very nature-y, like it's very just embedded in the nature. And that's one of the things I like about this campus. You know, it's very green, very quiet, very peaceful. Again, these are the dorms right here. That's a 3-floor housing unit. Now I won't get access today to any of the rooms because it is summer and they are closed down, but hopefully you guys can see. This is a quad right here, 2 bunk beds, and then inside you see, I don't know if you can see that, but inside you have like desks and all that. So those towers up there that you see, those are the Mesa Court towers, which I'll be explaining in a little bit. All right, so now we're heading into like the main courtyard where everyone walks through to get to the towers, to get to the dining court, to get to the dining hall. Or if you just want to hang out here with your friends, sit on the grass, have a little picnic, or even play some volleyball here on the sand. Those are all things you can do here. But for now, I'm going to keep taking you in so you guys can see the dorms. There's some more of the dorms over there. Again, this is a very big housing area. They have a lot of dorms, a lot of buildings. This is probably one of the better options on campus. Honestly, in my opinion, I dormed here my first year, but I dormed in the towers over there, which I'll show you guys in a bit. But yeah, and these also have like back door entrances and front door entrances, so don't think there's only one way to get in if you ever get lost, if you ever feel like you need to get into your apartment. All right, we're just gonna head back so I can show you some more of the dorms. Again, I'm gonna try to keep this as in-depth as possible, so I want you guys to get a full tour, you know. I don't want just a couple of buildings here and there. But yeah, a lot of these pathways in between the buildings just lead back to the main entrance, or the community center. So don't worry if I'm not walking through there. I've already shown you it, or you've already seen it. All right, and now we're just walking up to the courtyard where you see the towers. There's 3 towers here in Mesa Court. It's hard to get a good picture right now, but I'll show you guys in a bit. And then it looks like they're doing some remodeling and furnishing of this hall right here. So we got some more dorms over there. Those are the towers right here. Now the dining hall is down there, and there's another tower hidden behind these trees right here, which I'll get another view of. But for now, let's keep on walking. There's honestly so many ways to get around through this court. It's almost easy to get lost, but it's almost just as easy to find your hall. So when you get here, don't worry, you will find your place.
And then we got some more halls over there.
So here we have the service road that leads up to Mesa Court, and basically the only people that can park here are either like construction workers or any type of other worker, as well as handicapped people. But yeah, let me try to show you guys a good view of the courts of the towers right now. So right here is the leftmost tower, Mesa Court Tower, Playa. These do require keys, not regular keys. So right now they are cleaning right now they're cleaning the floor, but basically these are the towers right here. Straight ahead over there is the dining hall. I don't believe I have access to it today. So the tower in the middle that sits on top of the dining hall is called Caballo. Yeah, that one sits like directly on top of the dining hall entrance. And out here you can see the yellow chairs is where people come out to dine from the dining court. And this last tower right here, the third one, it's called Mariposa. And yeah. And this is an emergency exit from the ant eatery. We're gonna walk through the sides of the tower. Hopefully I can get around to the dining hall. If not, then I'll just have to record it another day. The 3 towers. So basically over here, we just have a couple more spots where you can sit at and study. And right now, this is like the main way to the mail room, which is where most of the freshmen can collect any Amazon packages or any other type of mail that they receive. And then over there we have the dining hall, and dining hall here is called the Ant Eatery, or it was open for students in 2016, which is when my freshman year, when I moved in. I mean, there's not much I can show anyway. I can't even go inside, but basically, yeah, this is the main entrance to it. All right, so we're gonna take one last look at Mesa Court before we head off and go into campus. Again, the towers, a nice lawn area. Oh, actually, and typically sometimes they do have like little carnivals here, little festivals where they bring out like slides and all types of games where you guys can participate in and have fun on this little lawn area. All right, so let's head on to campus now. So on the way out, there's a couple more dorms out here. They're much closer to the bridge that leads to campus. Okay, so to get from the dorms to campus, you gotta cross a newer bridge as well.